guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner for the month of May. So I went on Pinterest and I wanted to find some free printables for the monthly calendar, and I found Pink Pixel Graphics, and she had this beautiful May 2018 printable set, and I haven't used any of hers so far, but I am absolutely in love with them because she has made free printables and has a whole bunch of other ones. There's actually a June one that I want to use for next month. She has, as far as I could tell, she has monthly and she has weekly printables, and she just started changing them over to where everything was all set up for you to bring into the Cricut, and I believe she has silhouette files, but she has them, I think, in 5 different formats. She has them for the Big Happy Planner, for the regular Happy Planner, I think for the Erin Condren, and like a traveler's notebook size, I'm not sure. So I will put the link for this printable, and you can go ahead and go check her out. I had the best success with this because all I did was bring it in to Cricut Design Space, and she already has like the blackout file part of it. I'm pretty new to using my Cricut because I just received the Cricut Explorer Air 2 for Christmas, and so I haven't really done a lot of printing and cutting of stickers, and so the last time I did a sticker cutting out stickers was for my Star Wars layout. I will put the link for that video down below, but on that one I was kind of a little bit off, but these turned out perfect with the way she has her files laid out, and I don't know all the technical details of it, but that they were just awesome. So I did go ahead and just print them on paper to show you, and then I have my stickers already cut on my Cricut mats already. So this one, super cute. It has succulents, and it's kind of greens and blues and yellows and pinks. And then here is like a desk, and it says find out who you are and do it on purpose, and that's from Dolly Parton. I thought that was funny. But there's the full headers there, another like full box for the bottom, I believe, and then these are full boxes, and the numbers. There's a second page that are full boxes and half boxes and quarter boxes, some little headers here and checklists, and then the third page has like certain functional sayings and then little functional icons down there. So they're just super cute, and they're wonderful files. She does an amazing job on her planner stickers, and they're free. So make sure you check her out. So let's get this stuff cleared off and get started. so here's how it turned out. I really like this. I love the artwork on these free printables. Go ahead and check out the links below, and hopefully you will find something on her website that you like. I just think she does a beautiful job with them. I went ahead and spared you putting the numbers down because that was taking a while to try and peel the backing off of the tiny little numbers. And yeah, it turned out really cute. I love the combination of all the different colors. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next week. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.